you making me OD. I just wanna let you know that it's killing me slowly. I'm down with you, just ride on me.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be installing this 13x4 24-inch Kinky Straight wig. Y'all, they hooked this box up. It came with a wig cap, 2 lace bands, a makeup brush, and some lashes, y'all. So this is my first time trying a Kinky straight wig or lace frontal wig, and guys, it already came with the little baby hairs, and I just thought that was so freaking adorable. But y'all know with every wig that I get, I have to customize it, so I did bleach the knots off camera, and I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of the plucking that I did. And guys, if you enjoy the type of content that I do on my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button with that bell notification. It's completely free for you. All it does is let you know when I upload my videos, and what it does for me is just help me know that you guys are resonating with the type of content that I'm doing on here. And also, if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials or more hair tutorials or get ready with me's or chit chats, put that in the comments and let me know. I want to know what you guys want to see on here. Also, if you enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that like button.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
And so y'all, as y'all should know, in every install, I love starting off with my ball cap method. Some people don't do their wigs with their ball cap method, but I have to because it definitely does protect my edges. But yes, guys, what I did was just cut out my 2 holes around my earlobes. And now I'm going in with this avian spray in the blue bottle. Y'all, I feel like they just be like making colors with the sprays and stuff, but I'm gonna buy them every time because they really be cute. But I do like the blue one and the red one the best. But yeah, guys, I'm just putting that all in front of where my hairline is at, and I'm just gonna keep spraying like 2 layers of that because I want it to be mowed down and secure. And y'all, I did sit under the blow dryer for like 15 minutes on hot. You do want it to be real dry, real stiff. You do not want it to be wet or tacky. And so y'all know with every wig, you have to cut off the excess lace that be around the ears so it can glue on properly. And y'all, my only thing that kind of made me side eye the wig is that it was just a little too small for my big old head. That's it. Like right here, what you see me doing is cutting out the tabs, but like right up and through here, I kind of realized like, oh, it's not really like enough lace to really go all the way down, you know, close to my ear. But being like a makeup artist and a hairstylist, you learn to finesse things. So that's what I did with this wig. I just like finessed it.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
So y'all, I did go in with my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. She is the best. I love her. But yes, guys, I did like 2 layers of that. And what I learned, especially for like beginners out there, when you're spreading out your lace glue, always bring it forward. Because when I first started out, I would put the glue on, and when I would smooth it out, I would go backwards, and sometimes that would like lift up my cap a little bit. Like it would start pushing my cap to lift back. So just like a little tip out there for you guys. Oh, and another thing that I wanted to inform y'all about was when you're putting on lace glue, guys, start off with thin layers. Like, don't go in with thick ass layers or, you know, stuff that just like real clogged up and really just like a lot. Do thin layers so when you go to blow dry it, it can be very clear. And if you want to do 3, 4, 5 layers, cool, but start with thin layers so it is easier to blow dry. And as y'all seen, like it was really clear before I even push the lace down or put the lace on top of the glue.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
So y'all, I'm going back in with the Ebian lace spray that I used to help melt down my cap. And as you're going to see, I am putting that directly on the lace or like in between the baby hairs. And this is just to help give it a more secure hold. I do recommend blow drying that for like a good minute or 2. I only did it for like 15 seconds, but I wish I would have did it a little bit longer because when you go to tie it down, in order to not get like a white cast or anything, it has to be like completely dried down before you put a lace band on and melt it in. So I recommend blow drying it like for a minute or 2 before you actually put your band on.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love.
And now I'm gonna be cutting off the excess lace. If you guys want to keep the baby hair, all you need to do is just push them back a little bit while you cut off the excess lace. And if you don't want the baby hairs, then you would just cut them all off. But I wanted to keep them because I wanted to play around with them because I never had kinky baby hairs before, especially being this little. So I definitely wanted to like play around with them. And I did not mean to cut that little piece off, but we're gonna finesse it.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money, how present turns past. I fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. A nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strangely, what addictions, pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel.
And so y'all, now it's time to do my baby hairs, and I will be using the Nairobi mousse in the Got To Be in the black bottle, the Got To Be gel. And either you can use an edge control brush or like a little comb, and I like the little comb. I like both of them, honestly. But guys, what you're gonna see me do is struggle with doing these baby hairs, because I never did little baby hairs before. Like, I'm always used to doing my little 1-2-1-2 swoops, but I really wanted to try dramatic baby hairs once I seen like I can't do my natural edges that I would normally do on a lace frontal wig. But I am so happy that I tried it, because I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I always said that I wanted to try little baby hairs. So I'm so happy that this time I was actually able to play around with it and get a feel for it. And for it to be my first time, I think I did good. But you're gonna see it look really crazy at first, but in the end you're gonna be like, okay, they cute or whatnot. But yeah.
All these on the tools, they know what to do. Now what's that what to? Look at all the cash I blew. Strange new addictions, pick up on the road. Change my opinion, change all my flows. Change my approach, loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel.
And so y'all, this is how the baby hair looks after I done set and let them blow dry and sit for a while. That's how they looked. And I did go in later on and I did trim them down a little bit more just to make them look a little bit more natural. But I love how they look a little dramatic. And by this being like a kinky baby hair, yucky hair thing, I kind of wanted them to look like soft a little bit, but I still wanted them to be in place. And since this is a straight unit, I am going to earn it out. And then I'm going to go in with my little style that you guys see me choose in the beginning.
Too
got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side.
And so y'all, I'm just adding up the finished touches to the wig, doing these little curls. And overall, y'all, this is kind of like the pin-up look that I've been seeing pin-up updo look that I've been seeing all on TikTok, and I just wanted to give it a try. And so yeah, and with my bang, y'all, when I was on TikTok, my people was telling me like, you have to curl it the other way. So at the very end, you're gonna see me curl it the other way, but this is the curl that I got. Y'all, overall, this hair to me, 1 out of 10 is a solid 9. Like I said, I'm obsessed with the little baby hairs, and I was able to do the little dramatic look. I love how it was melted in. As y'all seen, this hair gave very minimum shedding. Like, I expected it because it was like yucky hair to shed a lot, and it really didn't, which like blew my mind, but was very impressed. Overall, like I said, the lace melted into my scalp. The only thing, you know, that I kind of had an issue with was it being too small, but I was able to finesse it a little bit. So there you have it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment anything that you enjoyed about the video, hit that bell notification, plus subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.